Welcome back. We are going to start with a new section and now we will be working on admin dashboard. We have worked on user dashboard and also we have completed all the basic functionalities. Now we are going to work on admin dashboard where admin can manage the orders, admin can manage the products as well as admin can manage the users. So first thing, we are going to set up admin folder and related stylings and whatever product images we have to push inside the admin, we are going to make all the changes in this lecture. Open editor. Inside the root, I will be creating one folder. Folder name, I will write admin area. Inside this, I will write admin style.css. And in source code, you will be finding all the stylings. I'm just going to paste. I will close. Inside admin area folder, I will create one folder product image. Let me write product images folder. Now previously inside this images folder itself, we are having all the product images. Select this images. All images I'm going to select except logo.png. I will be selecting all the images. Move all these images inside product images folder and click on move. Now you can see all the images I am having inside product images folder, and inside images folder I am only having logo.png. After moving all these images, I will just open my browser. Now you can see all the images are gone. Whatever structure we are having that is present, but all the images are gone. I will just log in, Khanam, password. Click on login. I will be able to log in. Logo is working. I will come to products. I will add this item to cart. You can see entire content is displayed apart from this image. So what we will do one by one, previously we have added images folder. Now in place of images folder, we will change to product images folder. Step by step you have to follow. First I will come to cart.php. What I will do, I will write Control F. I will be searching for images folder. Now in place of images folder, I have to come outside. I will go inside admin area folder. Inside that we are having product images. Now come to project. Refresh once. You can see I am able to display that image. So in database, you don't have to make any changes. Only changes we have to do inside our code. Then close this cart.php. Inside functions, we are having common functions.php. Here also, I'm just going to search for images. You can see we are having, come outside of this. I will write admin area. Then I will be writing product images. I will copy this complete line. Next search. Here I will be pasting. Next search. Here I will be pasting. Next paste, paste, and finally paste. So all the changes we have done. Now what I will do, I will just search for admin area. So in total, I should be having 6 searches. Successfully, I have made all these changes. Now come to project. Now you can see inside this projects, I am having all the images. If I come to home page, then also all the images will be displayed. Now close this. I will open viewOrder.php. Next, I will come to this user's account. Click on this view orders. As of now, for this particular order, we are not having any information. So what I will do, I will just add one more item to cart. Come here, proceed to checkout, pay with Razorpay, success at Razorpay, verify and pay. Okay, why? Because in one more file, we have to make the changes. So that is the reason I am doing one more order. Payment is successful. I will be redirected to payment success. Now, as soon as I click on this view my order, I will be redirected to orders page. Now, I will click on this view. You can see here product image is not displayed. So, inside this users area, we are having view order.php. Here, I will be searching for images. you can see inside this I have to make the changes. Let me just paste. I have to come outside of this folder, then inside, okay, two dots, admin area, then I will be passing this product image. Now I will refresh. You can see successfully I am able to display the image. So where all we have made the changes, after creating this product images folder, whatever images we were having inside images folder, all the images we have pushed inside the folder. Then inside cart.php, we have made the change. Then inside common functions.php, in whichever function we are using that images folder, we have changed to product images. And finally, inside users area, inside this view order.php, we have made the changes. And this is important because later on, when we display the images in our website, all the images has to be displayed. It should not break our website. So that is the reason these changes are very important.